The new Freeflex compressor valve steel opens a whole new world. As the heart of the compressor, the valve steel is the most crucial part of the system and sets the limits for what is possible. With an energy reduction up to 25% compared to business standards, Freeflex could make a difference in millions of homes every day. Energy efficiency depends on new materials. With Freeflex, we meet the demands of tomorrow, today. Let Freeflex open your mind for what's possible.